Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This week, the Galactics wanted to speak about Gaia, and they had a lot to say. You are aware of the healing power of Gaia, who enlivens Terra, the earth. But how far does your awareness go? Understand that Gaia is the spirit of the planet Earth, just as your spirit inhabits a physical body. Gaia flows into the physical planet to interact with its inhabitants in the same manner your spirit flows into the physical and interacts with your environment. For those in deep resonance with her, a loving relationship between two is formed. This connection forges a well-worn path to an old friend. These individuals will understand the message as a natural way of life. Gaia gives freely of herself and blesses humanity with her gifts of land, water, air, and all the resources she possesses. Indeed, she extends her healing life force to all beings within her embrace, and more so to those who intentionally request a directed flow for the purpose of healing and well-being. This generosity of spirit has been exploited by those consumed with greed and the desire for power. They have put forth a widely accepted belief that those who consume the gifts of Gaia are harmful to her and foster a feeling of lack and limit in which her gifts must be parsed between all humanity. The energy of Gaia is unlimited. She is self-sustaining and fed by Creator Source. She has no concept of lack. She is a vital and conscious being capable of sustaining life to an even greater degree as she continues to shift into a higher frequency through the process of ascension. Gaia, the Great Mother, has had the perceptions of human motherhood thrust upon her, and she is looked upon as helpless and weak. Let us assure you, this glorious being is no weakling. She is a powerful entity in her own right. She is a loving conduit of God, Creator Source's love. She is a direct creation of Creator Source. How else would free will be allowed and supported by her if she were not a willing partner in the great plan? It is not the taking of resources that does damage to the earth. It is the intent and the motivation in the taking that is harmful. Gaia extends all of her resources freely and with joy. Darkness and destruction occur when the intent is colored with greed for power or lack of love for self and others. When purpose has a low frequency of motivation, scarring and damage occurs. Never fear, this will not stop her progression along the ascension path. She will continue to expand her consciousness into higher frequencies until the negativity and dark forces are purged from her body. Gaia receives the higher frequencies every time you bring light into your body with intent and increase love for self and all beings. You support the ascension of her body as your frequency is elevated. Your relationship with Gaia is a reciprocal one and can be even greater with intent. Intend to extend your loving energy to her for more than the purpose to heal her. Extend your blessings to this loving partner who is just as invested in creating a new earth as you are. Sit quietly and move into a place of energetic exchange with one another. Remove the lens of weakness for yourself and Gaia and see the power and magnificence in both of you. Feel the strength and boundless love within your connection. Don't leave that connection and feeling in your meditation chair or buy that beloved tree. Take it with you every time you step outside. Bring it up through the foundation of your home and know that her spirit is truly connected to you at all times. Well, there you have it. They had a lot to say about the planet, about Gaia, and about our connection in spirit. I hope these videos benefit you in some small way, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, comment, and share. It really helps get the message out. Until next time, I wish you many, many blessings.